Hello friends, welcome to Biochem Tech. Today I am going to talking about the classification of alcohol. So today's part 2, classification of alcohol on the basis of nature of carbon atom. Okay? So guys, please subscribe my channel and also like or share with your friends. Okay, now let's start. So in second part, in first part, classification of alcohol on the basis of number of hydroxyl group present in the compound. Now, in second part, on the basis of nature of carbon atom. So, nature means what type of carbon atom present in the alcohol. Alcohol, OH as a functional group, here OH hydroxyl group as a functional group. This hydroxyl group bonded to the carbon in the compound. That carbon is what type of carbon? Sometimes primary carbon, sometimes secondary carbon, and sometimes tertiary carbon. Okay, so three different types of carbon in the compound. So we can say primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, or tertiary alcohol. So this OH bonded with the what type of carbon? So in case of monohydric, especially mainly monohydric alcohols are classified into three different ways. First one is the primary alcohol, second one is the secondary alcohol, and third is the tertiary alcohol. Means OH bonded to the tertiary carbon. Now in detail. Okay, now monohydric alcohol. So monohydric means in alcohol only one OH group present in the compound. Only one. One OH monohydric. Mono means one. So monohydric alcohol, three different ways of classification. Primary alcohol, first degree, secondary alcohol, second degree, 2 degree, and tertiary alcohol, 3 degree alcohol. Okay. So now with example, at first ROH. OH is a functional group, R is alkyl group. If R is equal to methyl, CH3OH. So this is the methanol. Okay. If R is equal to, R is alkyl group, this equal to the ethyl, CH3, CH2 and OH. So here the, what is the name? Ethanol. If R is equal to propyl, so CH3, CH2, CS2 and OH. Okay, so this is the propane dash one ol and one propanol also, one propanol. So these are the example of primary alcohol. Here monohydric only one OH, here is methanol one OH, ethyl alcohol only one, here the propyl alcohol, here the only one OH group. So these are the monohydric alcohol, but what degree? First degree means primary alcohol. Primary means this. Here the only one carbon, but in case of more than 2 or 3, here this carbon bonded with the only one alkyl group here. So this is the primary carbon. So primary carbon bonded with the OH, that is the primary alcohol. This carbon also bonded with the only one here. Then the chain means only one carbon bonding here at first. So then this is called the primary alcohols. Okay, these are the primary alcohols. Now in case of secondary alcohol, 2 degree. So in case of, for example, R, C, H and then R, OH. Here R and R prime. This way. R and R prime may be equal or may be different also. So now this OH bonded to the this secondary, this carbon is what? 2 degree carbon. This carbon bonded with the two other alkyl group, both sided here. So 2 degree carbon here, 2 degree carbon. Okay. Now with example CH3, CH and CH3OH. This is the compound. So what is the name? Propane 2-ol or 2-propanol or 2-propanol. This way we can write. Means this is the what carbon? second degree carbon. Okay, this carbon would be the two other carbons. So secondary alcohol. Propane 2-ol is the secondary alcohol. Another example also we can write CH3, CS2, CH and CS3. Here again OH. So what is the name? Butane. Butane 2-ol or 2-butanol. 2-butanol. So this way we can write the secondary examples of the secondary alcohol, because this carbon is the secondary carbon. Secondary carbon. Here this is the secondary carbon. Now in the first example primary alcohol, this carbon is the primary, means only one bonding here. Okay, this is only one bonding the other carbon. So this is the primary first degree carbon. This is also first degree carbon. Okay, first degree carbon. Now in case of tertiary alcohol, so tertiary means third degree. So this, for example, let first write down here the R, OH, R prime or R double prime. Now R prime or R double prime may be equal or may be different also. Okay, sometimes same, sometimes different. Now for example, CS3, COH, CS3, here CS3. This carbon is the third degree carbon. Means this carbon bonded with the three different alkyl group. Here this carbon, this central carbon, this bonded with the three different alkyl group, Okay, this is the 3 degree carbon. Okay, carbon. This is the functional group. So what is the name of this compound? Here, this chain we have to select more carbon. So 2-methyl dash prop is the word root, prop plus ANE, carbon single bond. So propane. And what position of this? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 2 position, 2-ol. 2-methyl, propane 2-ol. Other way also you can add 2-methyl, 2-propanol. 2-methyl, 2-propanol. Okay, this way we can write name of the compound. Now suppose your compound like this, CS3, CS2, CH and CS3. Okay, here the OH and again here the CS3, this compound. Then what is the name? Longest chain we have to select. This is the alkyl group, this is the functional group. So what is the position of methyl? 2-methyl. Bute is the word root. So 2-methyl, bute plus N and 2-ol. 2-methyl butane 2-ol or 2-methyl 2-butanol. This way we can write. Means this carbon is what? Third degree carbon. Because this carbon bonded with the three different here the carbon. Okay, so 3 degree carbon. 3 degree carbon possible. That's why tertiary alcohol we can say. Okay, so these are the examples of primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So 2 different ways of the classification of alcohol. First is the number of OH present in the alcohol, means monohydric, dihydric, trihydric or polyhydric, and another one is the depending upon the nature of the carbon, means first degree carbon, second degree carbon and third degree carbon. So okay, so I think this video is useful for you. So please guys, like, share or subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.